Hello everybody, welcome again to Amazing Growth. This is Antoinette Hunter. I am a teacher and a developmental intervention specialist. If this is your first time watching us, you are very welcome. Now on this activity, we are going to be doing some experiment with sensory. I love sensory because it helps the child to retain information more. It keeps them to sit down and focus in an activity and complete task for the duration of time. It also helps them to retain information, as you know, I believe that sensory actually increases and builds brain development. So today we're going to experiment with our amazing snow, super snow. We're going to make our own snow. Usually when I do these activities, I usually have things in the container for the kids to sort out, especially for children who have difficulties doing activity and paying attention or sitting down and complete that task for the duration of time. So I have our snow right here. Next to me are my two children. So you'll be seeing us sometimes doing activities together. We really appreciate you watching and supporting us. So right here is our snow. Material is the snow powder. I have any bowl. You can use anything you please to use or you choose to use. And then I have water. Forget your water. Without water, you can't make the snow. And then we have our shape sorters with the shapes inside of it. The reason I have this is to put them inside the snow so that way the kids can actually find the objects and place them in their correct slots. So you can also use a puzzle. If you have puzzles, if you have you know, any kind of objects that you want the kid to sort, different colors of objects, it could be balls, it could be fruits and vegetables, anything can go into the sensory bin for the kids to actually take it out. And you can also create your sensory bin with this amazing snow. You can get this amazing super snow powder from Amazon. I believe you can get it from Walmart. If you want to make your activity even more exciting, you can incorporate some food coloring inside of it, which I'm not really going to use today because I just wanted to make it white. Okay, but these are just suggested things for you to do. Why I think you should always incorporate sensory into your child's play is because, like I've listed it before, that is going to help them learn easier. They'll enjoy learning, they'll be focused, they'll be able to sit in that activity for the duration of time, especially for runners or kids that are very and extremely mobile, kids that have difficulties communicating, requesting their wants and needs. You want to incorporate more sensory into their play. So now I'm going to open. Early intervention, always gestures paired with speech. Open. So let's open. Look what we... You ready? Okay. So let's open. Now the box comes with actually the scoop for measurement. Oh wow, I haven't really used this particular type. They come in different forms. So let's take it out. Take the powder out. Now I have the little scoop. You just don't need much, but today we're going to count and see how many scoops we need to pour in there to see how much we would get. So I'm gonna open. Need help opening?
Can I open it too, please?
Let me see so we can open this. Let's try it.
Oh, you have to rip.
You have to rip. Thank you. Can we get a scissors there, Mama, please? Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cut. Okay, so we just have to rip it up a little bit so we can have a way to actually open the bag. Why is it so difficult to open? So it's like a Ziploc bag with a seal on it. Kind of open it. So let's go. You know, really, you have to make sure you follow the instructions here. You say make over 2 gallons of snow. So let's try putting different amounts of snow powder. You have the manual here to follow it. Okay, Renato is going to put some in here.
My turn.
Wait, let him go first then.
Oh,
Oops. Go ahead. How many scoops do you want to put? 1.
That's a big chunk.
2. Keep going.
Here.
Keep going. 3.
Is it her turn?
Get 3, and then she's gonna get 3, and let's see how much snow we can get from it.
That's 4. Here.
4. Put it in. Put in. 4, and you try 4 too. Now let me see. Since we just opened the 4, we have 4.
1.
1.
2. 3.
So
4.
I will read the instructions to you. 4. So you have 4 now. Now let's see what's happening. Since you're experimenting with a lot of snow, it says this is a blind experiment because we did not follow the manufacturer instructions on the manual. So this is what it says. It says that use the blue scoop to measure 1 rounded scoop of dry powder into the large plastic cup. So we don't have a cup, but we're using the bowl, right? Now it says number 2, it said measure 2 ounces of room temperature water using the small plastic cup. 2 containers of water, room temperature water. Number 3, quickly pour all of the water into the cup with the powder. So how many did you use? You used 8 scoop, right? But it says use 1 blue scoop to measure 1 round. So quickly pour on all of the, quickly pour all of the water into the cup with the powder. Don't take your eyes off the erupting snow. So you cannot take your eyes off the erupting snow. That means it's going to erupt. So you can go ahead and put your clean finger in it after you're done. So the first thing we have to do now is to use the blue scoop, which you've done it already. We have 8. So how many containers, how many ounces of water do we need to put in there now?
2.
So,
okay, so
this is the water. No, we're gonna pour the water in. They gave us a cup. Let's try this. Now we're going to try something. Remember,
in case we spill it,
how many you need. Let's see how many you will need. Okay. 1. Wait, pour it in there. Pour it in there. Pour it in here. Okay. 2. Pour it in. Go ahead, let's do 3. Pour it in. 4. Pour it in. Okay. You think we have enough water? Let me go back to the instruction and see what it says. Let's see if do we really have 2 ounces. Is there really 2 ounces of it?
No.
No? You don't think so? Okay, let's try and do our own experiment. So we have 4. Are you ready to pour the water?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, ready, set, go. Whoa!
Wait, keep pouring, keep pouring. Quickly.
Wow!
Don't keep your eyes off.
It's pouring bigger. So you think I should put more in, right?
Yeah.
We have 4. I'm gonna put in 5. Wow! 6. You see how it's swelling up?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. You see that?
Whoa, it's so soft.
It's soft. It's very soft. Ooh. And it's so white. Don't blow it, Najo. Najo, watch it, please. I think we can add more water. I think you can really add a little more water based on how you want it to be. Let's see. For it, let's see if it will swell. It will swell again. Wow, the more water you put.
Let's try putting all the water in.
Girl, are you for real?
Yeah.
Let's put it in. Wow, it's still blowing out.
No, I want to mix it.
Let's try more water.
All
Najo,
of
easy.
it.
Ooh. Ooh, look at what's happening. Oh, I think this no, and you can use this over and over again. Wow, it feels so nice and soft. Now, let's see.
Oopsies.
Guys, be careful. Okay, let me see something. I'm gonna do this now. This is what I'm gonna do usually. If I have to use this in my session, I'm going to place some of the shapes in there.
Stop.
Gonna put Renaja, easy. Let me put this in there. See, it's rising even more. I'm gonna hide those shapes in there.
Close
I'm
your
gonna
eyes.
hide them. Gonna do peekaboo.
Buddy, close
Peekaboo.
your
Eyes.
eyes.
I'm gonna.
Stop touching it.
It's hiding. Now you're gonna find the shape, so you don't have to put everything little by little at a time. Let's see what you found inside. What's inside?
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Fine. I found 2 of them already.
Okay, so what are you gonna do? You're gonna put
Wait,
right.
one more? It's so easy.
Okay, it's easy to find, right? So you found this. Where does it go? You're gonna put it here. What shape is that?
It.
What shape is this one?
Star. X.
What's this? It's a
Plus.
It's a plus or a cross. So you put it to your mouth like this. Look what I found. Close to your mouth. Give me. Hand it to the child. And you place it right here. Yay! More. Put in. What did you find? You found a...
You
You can make a circle just like that and then place it in there. And then look, we have more shapes and they can actually scoop with the shapes.
You can't build a castle.
You can do a lot of things. You see how much snow we got? And I think if we put more water, it might get even big, higher than that. Maybe I should go get some more water and let's see what will happen if we add more water in there.
Can we change the color?
If you want to change it, you can change the color. Let me see more water.
Let's change it.
Now let's see if you can make it castle because I added more water to it. Let's see if it's gonna rise up. Ooh, see, it's softer now. I think it's too saggy now. So with this, you can use it over and over and over again. Now, if you want to change the color, right?
It needs more
From the
water.
very word go. Wait, let me give you. You want to do food coloring? Where's the bowl?
I got it.
What color do you? I just want a little. If you want to just do a little color in here and don't put color in this one. Let's keep this white.
Let's do blue. There's blue side and do pink.
Okay, let's do pink. I don't want you guys to stain.
Pink. Let's do pink.
Okay, so do pink.
What about blue?
Do pink. We just put a little bit so you can see the change.
Can we put food color in here or just in there?
Just put it in there in the water.
Buddy wants blue.
Okay, let you do yours and get it. Put that in a little bit. We just need a little bit. Put a little bit in there.
Blue? No, that's orange.
Guys, I didn't plan on using food coloring because I don't want to mess my place up with all of this food coloring.
I need help opening.
It's gonna be very messy, okay?
Okay.
All right, so let's drop a little bit in there. Oh,
Wow. Beautiful.
Okay.
Mommy, I think we should pour it in here.
No, I like my white. I like to have it white. Okay, let's put this in. Let's put this in. Watch. You know what? We actually supposed to pour the water in the snow. Now let's see. Let's see. Pour it here first because we want to follow at least part of the instructions that's given to us. Okay.
I'm gonna scoop.
Scoop just a little bit. That's a lot in here.
Be careful.
And then pour the water in. Pour it in. Pour.
Oops.
Oh, you put too much. Wow!
It's pretty. And it's blowing. It's just like a neon. Princess, put it in the snow pile.
No, you can save that for yourself. You want to get a Ziploc bag to put that in? You want to do blue?
Yeah, maybe blue's pretty. Here.
You want to get more water? Let me see. Put more water in
I need
here.
help opening this. I need help opening this.
Guys, I can't. Which one? Okay, let me see this. So point this one in.
I like this one.
You like this one? Okay, so let's wait. Let me give you one little scoop.
Wow, Buddy's is gonna be bigger than mine.
Raise the scoop. Okay, now drop the food coloring in there. Blue food coloring. And
Buddy,
I'll
that's
pour some
purple.
water.
That's purple. This is? Yeah. Mommy, that's purple.
He said it's blue.
Oh, it is.
So he has blue. Okay, that's good. That's a lot of blue. Now let's pour it in here. Wow! Add more water.
Let's put more water. And blue.
Wow! It's getting bigger and bigger. It's a lot. We put a lot of water. That's enough. You squeezing all the food coloring
Now
in
mix
there.
it.
It's gonna be messy.
Wow.
I don't know if this would. You can use it over and over again. Let's put a little bit of.
Let's put a little bit.
Wow!
of
Look what I
orange.
did. I put a little powder inside of it, and it's rising.
Let's put a little bit of yellow in this too.
Nadia, you're putting too many different colors in there.
I want mine to have a little yellow.
It's gonna. If that's too much, Mama. That's too much.
This is too much.
Look at yours. See?
What does this come from?
It came from the food coloring. Guys, look. That's the result of his. Okay, guys. All right. So, as you guys can see, this is the nice, messy experiment and fun activities you can have at home with your child, and is non-toxic. So they can, if they put it in their mouth, you don't have to worry. It will not create any hazard. But you try to have your kid not to put things in their mouth. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.